Hello, good morning children. Today we are again going to discuss about numbers up to 1 crores and 10 million. Okay, so you might be wondering, okay, this both number is having same numbers of zeros, okay, and they are kind of similar but they have different names. Okay, now see over here, this is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros, and the number that means these are both 8-digit numbers, isn't it? These are both 8-digit numbers but they have two different names. So why do we have two different names is because this crores is an Indian number system and 10 million is an international number system. Okay children, so that is the difference between 1 crore and 10 million. Okay, so today basically what we are going to discuss is about numbers up to 1 lakh. Okay, and 1 lakh is actually numbers which is having 6 digits. Okay, that means any number which is having 6 digit is actually coming under 1 lakh. Okay, so let me give you one example. Okay, let me give you one example. 1 2 3 3 4 5 6. So this is an example of a 6-digit number and this is actually up to 1 lakh. Okay, now children, let us discuss about the place value. Okay, let us discuss about the place value of each number. Okay, so see, this 6 is actually at the place value of ones, this is actually at the place value of tens, this is in the place value of hundreds. Okay, and this is in the place value of thousands, and this is in the place value of 10,000. This is at the place value of 10,000s, and this is in the place of value of lakhs. Okay children, so this is how this numbers, each of them has a place value. Okay, so 6 is at ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So individually this all numbers are in this orientation: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay, so if I write this number in words, okay, so this is the place value. Okay, now if I write this number in words, okay, if I write this number in words, how will I write it? Okay, if I write this number in words, okay, like for example, it will be 2 lakhs, it will be 2 lakhs, it will be 2 lakhs 7, and this both are actually under thousands. Okay, so we will call this as 73,000. We will call this as 73,000. 73,000. Okay children, this will be 73,000. Okay, and this all numbers all together will be called as 636. Okay, this will be called as 600 636. 636. Okay, this will be called 636. Okay, so in words this number will be 2 lakhs 73,636. Okay children, now since we are learning in Indian number system, okay, so what actually we do is in Indian number system is we always keep commas after first comma we give after before three numbers, and then after that we actually keep commas after every two numbers. So that's the reason why also when I named as per the comma system. Okay, so the first separation is because of this comma, so that's why I have written 2 lakhs. So this both numbers come under lakh thousands. Okay, so that's why, and it is separated by comma, so that's why. So I have, what I've done is I have written this number in pair only, so 73, that's why I'm writing in 73,000. That means in ones at pair only I'm telling this number, okay, or writing this number. Then 636, this is again separated by comma, so I have to write this number as 636. Okay children, so this is how we actually separate a number in a number system up to 1 lakh. Okay, so this is actually Indian number system also, you can say. So this is your Indian number system. Okay, student, this is your Indian number system. Okay, so let me recap again. By chance, if you have a 6-digit number, it is up to 1 lakh. So the first digit will be 1, second digit will be tens, the third digit will be 100, the fourth digit will be 1000, the fifth digit will be 10,000, and the sixth digit will be under lakhs. Okay, and place value. So place value is actually the value of this number's place. Okay, so this 6 is at the place of 1, so the value for 6 is actually ones. If I say what is the place value of 7, then it is 10,000. If I say what is the place value of 2, it is lakhs. Okay, children. So place value is actually the place at which these numbers are under, okay, this orientation. And when we write this number in words, we have to use this comma system. And comma system, as I've already taught you, first three numbers, before first three numbers you have to keep comma. Then after that you have to keep comma at the sequence of 2 2. Okay, children. Then what you have to do is, in words when you write, you have to use this comma system only, which is 2 lakhs, comma 73, comma 1000, then comma 636. So this is how we have to orient or name a numbers in a Indian number system. Okay, so children, your classwork from this part will be to do question number 1, 2, 3, and okay, and you just have to do question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so your classwork will be, let me write over here, your classwork will be to do question number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, children. So from this lesson we learned this much. Okay, Achha. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss about our very next topic, which is numbers up till crores. Okay, so in case of crores, okay, there will be 8-digit numbers. Okay, so crores is actually a 8-digit number. It is a 8-digit number. Okay, crores is actually a 8-digit number. Okay, and crores is actually made when there are 8 zeros after any, 7 zeros after any number. Let me give you one example. Okay, there are, just imagine if this is 1, and if I write 7 zeros after it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 1 crore. Okay, now I can give you another examples also. Any numbers which is of 8 digit, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is again another example of a number which is in the crore system. So as per our Indian system, as we already learned, we have to first give comma before 3 numbers, and after that we have to separate it with 2 numbers. Similarly over here also you have to do, okay, first 3, 2 numbers. Okay, so now children, I will teach you the what they say, place value of each numbers. Okay, so in here, now let me rub this example. Okay, let me rub this example and give you a unique wala example. Okay, so that you can understand each and every place value. Okay, so now let us discuss about place value. Okay, so under place value, let me give a 8-digit number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a 8-digit number. Okay, so in this 8-digit number, the first number will be ones. This will be tens, as you already know, children. This will be your hundreds. Okay, this will be your excuse me, hundreds. Then this will be your thousands. This will be your thousands. This will be your 10,000. This will be your 10,000. This will be your lakhs. This will be your 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. This will be your 10 lakhs, and this will be your crores. Okay children, so this is the place value. That means over here 8 is having a place value of 1, 7 is having a place value of 10, 6 is having a place value of 100, 5 is having a place value of 1000, and 4 is having a place value of 10,000, 8 is having a place value of lakhs, 6 is having a place value of 10 lakhs, 2 is having a place value of crores. Okay, and as this is the Indian number system, so you have to give comma like this. Okay, which you already know children, isn't it? Now let us discuss, okay, how much 1 crore is actually. Okay, so for understanding that, you have to understand this tables first. Okay, now if you see in here, if I do 10 times once, okay, if I do 10 times once, it becomes tens. That means if there is any one number, if I multiply 10 times, it will become like 1. This is 10. So 10 is actually what? It is a 2-digit number, means it will turn tens. Okay, now since I have to 1 as example, I can take 3 also. So if I take 3, it will become 30. So 30 is a 2-digit number. Means whenever we multiply with any ones with 10, so it becomes a 2-digit number. Again, if you have a 2-digit number like this 3, if you multiply with 10 again, okay, so it will become a 3-digit number. Okay, so again with a 3-digit number which is 100, if you multiply again 10, okay, with 3-digit number, if you multiply 10, so it will become 4-digit number. Okay, then again 4-digit number, if you multiply with 10, okay, so 4-digit number, if you multiply 10, it will become 5-digit number, which is our 10,000. And if you again multiply 10 with our 5-digit number, it becomes 6-digit number. Okay, it becomes 6-digit number. Then again with 6-digit number, okay, again with 6-digit number, if you multiply 10, it becomes 7-digit number. Okay, child. And again with 7-digit number, if you multiply 10, it becomes your 8-digit number, which is your into 10. If you do, it will become your 8-digit number. Okay children, it will become 8-digit number. Understanding? So that is what actually is happening. That means you can say 1 crore is actually 10 times, 1 crore is 10 times 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs is 10 times lakh, and 1 lakh is 10 times 10,000, and 10,000 is actually 10 times 1,000, and 1,000 is 10 times 100, and 100 is actually your 10 times tens, and 10 tens is actually 10 times 1 also. Okay children, so this is what is actually being explained over here. Okay, that means if you multiply 10 with any one's number, it becomes your tens. Then similarly you can go through and understand. Okay, so this is what actually I wanted to explain. Okay, so if I name this number, as you already know, it will be 2 crores 68 lakhs 45,678. Okay, so naming also is very simple. Okay children, so over here we learned what is place value is. We learned how many times 1 crore can be 10 lakhs. Okay, I mean how many times 10 lakhs will become crores. Like every time when you multiply 10 with each individually things, it will become the bigger number. Okay, like if you multiply 10 times with 1,000, it will become 10,000. If you multiply 10 times with tens, it will become hundreds. Okay, that means it is always increasing in the pattern of tens. Okay, understanding children? Very simple topic. So try to see this video and understand. And if you have any doubt regarding whatever I have made you write over here in this board, okay, you can ask me, and you have to copy as it is whatever has been written in the board. Okay children, now from your crores, your homework, your classwork will be to do question number 3 and 4. Okay, your classwork will be to do question number 3 and 4, and you have to show me this before 5 p.m. in the evening today. Okay children, so you already know now your homework from your classwork from first part is actually question number 1, 2, 3, and from here your classwork is question number 3 and 4. So this many questions you have to do. That means in total 3 plus 2, 5 questions you have to do. Okay children, so today we close this much. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp group. Okay children.